Right, pull up somewhere safe on the right.
Alright, yeah. No junction. Sugar.
Good. Right, you've got a bit of space between you and the curb.
Yep.
So
far
a bit more, definitely looks more than a foot. So you need to bring that in on your way back.
No problem.
Right, when you're ready.
Yeah. Wait for the car to go up. Not enough bringing it back there, I don't think.
It's a little bit more then. Keep working on where else you need to check as you're going back.
Behind me.
Yeah. And stop. Handbrake neutral. Right, have you got it to a foot?
No, nowhere near.
Is it
Back end still should have gone. I should have put more on it.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, move off when it's safe. See, we're on a narrow road, so you being nearly 2 foot out,
It's causing a quite an obstruction.
yeah,
This is it.
we've created like a bit of a meeting situation there.
Right.
So it would depend on what sort of mood the examiner's in.
Some speed to pass it.
Yeah. Yeah, they weren't doing 20, were they?
No, this is it. There were no way out getting out in front of it.